Happy Vlogmas, everyone! Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. I hope everyone is having a wonderful December so far. Today on the menu, we're going to be making mini cheese balls. So if you are so excited for Christmas this year, then stick around for this video. Alright, so let's get started. We're going to go ahead and add in 1 block of cream cheese. You can do 6 or 12 ounces. We're going to go ahead and put that in the bowl. And make sure that it is soft and it's been sitting out. We're going to add in a sprinkle of salt to your tasting. We're going to add in some black pepper to your tasting. We're going to add in some smoked paparika. I'm doing about maybe 2 teaspoons. We're going to add in 1 cup of sharp shredded cheese. Next, we're going to go ahead and add in our chives, just a little sprinkle, just to give it a nice oniony taste when you bite into your cheese ball. And we're going to go ahead and start blending. As you can tell, my spoon was not working well for me. So I'm going to go ahead and just use my hands. And that is going to work just fine. Now, if you're making this for a function or for other people, of course, you're going to use gloves. But I'm making this for me. So I'm going to be just using my hands to get everything blended up well. All right, now we're going to start scooping up just a little balls of the cheese. You can use a mini ice cream scooper. That will help out as well, depending on how big you want your balls are. But this is a mini cheese ball video, so we're going to make them fairly small. We're going to go ahead and just roll them up into a ball and then place them on our parchment paper. We're going to go ahead and refrigerate these balls once we're done rolling for about an hour to get them nice and firm. All right, now that our cheese balls are done getting firm in the refrigerator, we're going to go to our next step, which is to coat them with some yummy, yummy toppings. All right, so for our toppings, we're going to be using some real bacon, some chopped almonds, and some chopped chives. We're going to go ahead and put that all in a bowl. I am going to also add in some chopped cran-raisins as well. Be sure to chop them up kind of finely, but you don't have to have it too fine. All right, now it's time to get started with coating our cheese balls. I did grab some pretzel sticks because that's going to come in handy when it's time to pick up your cheese ball to eat. So go ahead and push your pretzel stick in the middle of your cheese ball. It should be nice and firm. And we're going to go ahead and just dip it into our mixture of toppings. You can roll it, you can dab it, or you can just pick it up like I'm doing and go ahead and just press it against the cheese ball. It will work perfectly if you kind of squeeze them on there a little bit as you're putting on your toppings. Just give it a little squeeze, but your cheese ball should be nice and firm. You can enjoy these cheese balls now or put them in the refrigerator until your guests arrive. Enjoy!